Hello guys, this is Muhammad Abbas from Pakistan. Welcome to my channel Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Guys, our topic is adverb. I have already explained two adverbs in previous video. The link of that video is given in the description. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch that video from the description. So guys, I am going to explain one more adverb in this video, which is either. Now what is either? What is the usage of it and how to use it? I am going to explain in this video. So come to the topic. So here we are with the adverb either. Now what is either? Either kya hai? See, either is an adverb. According to grammar, it is an adverb. Grammar के लिहाज से ये एक adverb है. Is this clear? Now what is the usage of it? How to use it and where to use it? इसकी इस्तेमालात क्या है? कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं और कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं इसे? देखिए, either is used to agree with negative sentences. It is used to agree with negative sentences. It means that we have to use either whenever there are two negative sentences. Whenever there are two negative sentences, then we can use either. Is this clear? Either को हम कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं और either ये क्या बता रहे हैं यहाँ? Either is used to agree with negative sentences. ये मनफी फिक्रों के साथ इत्तेफाक करता है. ये मनफी फिक्रों के साथ इत्तेफाक करता है. कैसे? देखिए, there must be three conditions to use either. There are three conditions to use either. What are those conditions? I am going to tell you. See, the first condition, both sentences must be negative. As I told you that both sentences must be negative. There should be two sentences which they have to be negative. Whenever you want to use either, two sentences, there are two sentences which have to be negative. Is this clear? So the first condition is both sentences must be negative. Is this clear? See, another condition, both sentences must have the same idea. Both sentences must have the same idea. Idea means both sentences must have the same purpose or goal. They should talk about the same action. They should talk about the same action. See the third condition, both sentences must have the same tense. We have three tenses and each tense has been divided into four parts. So that both sentences must have the same tense. If the one sentence is in present tense, then the another sentence must be in present too. Is this clear? If we say in Urdu, there must be three conditions to use either. अगर हम चाहते हैं कि either को इस्तेमाल करें फिक्रों में, तो फिर हमारे पास तीन शराइत जरूर होनी चाहिए. वो शराइत क्या है? पहली शराइत ये है, both sentences must be negative. दोनों फिक्रे मनफी होने चाहिए. दोनों फिक्रे मनफी होना चाहिए. सेकेंड कंडीशन मतलब सेकेंड और दूसरा कंडीशन शराइत, both sentences must have the same idea. दोनों फिक्रों का जो आइडिया है, थॉट्स है, ख्याल है, वो सेम होना चाहिए, एक दूसरे से मिलते हो, एक जैसे होने चाहिए. See the third शराइत, both sentences must have the same tense. Both sentences must have the same tense. हमारे पास तीन ज़माने हैं. टेंस का मतलब है ज़माना. तो दोनों फिक्रे जो है ना, दोनों वो सेम एक ही ज़माने में होने चाहिए. एक ही ज़माने में होने चाहिए. Is this clear, guys? Now come to the structure and example. After that you will come to know. So here we are with the structure. See the structure. What is the structure of it? It has two structures, right? It has two structure. So this first structure, first negative sentence, full stop. After the first negative sentence we have to use full stop. Then subject plus auxiliary. Auxiliary means as, am, are, were, was, will, do, did, this. Is this clear? Plus not plus either. At the end of the sentence, at the end of second sentence, we have to use either. Is this clear? So this is the first structure. Now what is the second structure of it? See, first negative sentence. Again, first negative sentence. But in first structure we use full stop after first negative sentence. And second structure we have to put and. We have to put and after first negative sentence. Then plus subject plus auxiliary plus not plus either. Is this clear? हमारे पास दो किस्म के स्ट्रक्चर है either के लिए. The first structure है, पहला फिक्र जो है वो नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. اب پہلے فکرے کے بعد ہم کو چاہیے کہ ہم فل سٹاپ لگائیں. پہلے فکرے کے بعد ہم کو چاہیے کہ ہم فل سٹاپ لگائیں, پھر سبجیکٹ لگائیں, پھر ایگزیلری, پھر ناٹ, پھر ایدر. از دس کلیئر؟ اور دوسرا اسٹرکچر جو ہے وہ بھی ایسی ہے. دیکھیے فرسٹ نیگیٹو سینٹینس, پہلے فکرہ جو ہے وہ نیگیٹو ہونا چاہیے. پہلے فکرے کے بعد ہم کو چاہیے کہ ہم اینڈ لگائیں, اینڈ فرسٹ اسٹرکچر ہم جو ہے وہ فل سٹاپ لگاتے ہیں, لیکن سیکنڈ اسٹرکچر میں ہم اینڈ لگاتے ہیں آفٹر first negative sentence. So see the example. After example you will come to know. I do not like tea. I do not like tea. This is the first sentence, right? He does not like tea. Here we have two sentences. Both are negative. As you can see, not and not. I don't like tea. He does not like tea. Is this clear? Both sentences are negative. And both have the same tense, present, simple present tense. Both have the same tense, and both have the same idea, T and T. As I told you that it has three conditions to use. So we have applied all the three conditions in these sentences. I do not like tea. He does not like tea. Not, we say that both sentences must be negative. So both sentences are negative, not and not. And we said that both sentences must have the same idea. Both sentences have the same idea, T and T. They have the same purpose, they have the same goal. Is this clear? And the third one was, both sentences must have the same tense. And they do have, the same tense. I do not, he does not. So it is the simple present tense. It is the simple present tense. Both sentences are in the simple present tense. Now if you want to use either, and if you want to make an example with either from these two sentences, how we will do that? See, I do not like tea. The first sentence should be written, the way it is. After this we have to put full stop, as you can see in the first structure. Is this clear? I do not like tea. He does not either. After, we use subject, auxiliary, auxiliary does, do, did, as, are, etc, etc. He does not either, not and either. Then we use either at the end of the sentence. I told you, we use either at the end of the second sentence. So I have used either at the end of second sentence. I don't like tea. He does not either. He does not either. Is this clear, guys? Now if you say in Urdu, example को देखिए. I do not like tea. मुझे चाय पसंद नहीं है. He does not like tea. उसको चाय पसंद नहीं है. हमने तीन शराइत में यही कहा कि दोनों फिक्रे मनफी होनी चाहिए, तो दोनों फिक्रे मनफी है. हमने नहीं लगाया. मुझे चाय पसंद नहीं है, उसको चाय पसंद नहीं है. और आइडिया हमने कहा कि दोनों फिक्रों का आइडिया सेम होना चाहिए, तो आइडिया भी सेम है. टी चाय, मुझे भी चाय पसंद नहीं है, उसको भी चाय पसंद नहीं है. और टेंस जमाना भी एक है, प्रेजेंट, सिंपल प्रेजेंट जमाना है दोनों का. तो अगर हम चाहें कि इस दोनों फिक्रों हम मिलाए और ईदर यूज करें, तो हम कैसे यूज करते हैं? आई डोंट लाइक टी, ही डज नॉट ईदर. तो हम ईदर को दूसरे सेंटेंस के आखिर में यूज करते हैं, और यहाँ पर हमने फुल स्टॉप लगाया. जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को कहा कि स्ट्रक्चर, पहले स्ट्रक्चर में नेगेटिव सेंटेंस के बाद हमको चाहिए कि हम फुल स्टॉप लगाए. तो पहले नेगेटिव सेंटेंस के बाद हमने फुल स्टॉप लगाया और फिर ईदर से सेंटेंस बनाई. इज दिस क्लियर, गाइस? नाउ सी द सेकंड एग्जांपल. They do not go to school. She does not go to school. So they have the same purpose, they have the same tense, and both sentences are negative. Not. Go to school, right? Go to school. So go to school and go to school. The idea is same, the tenses are same, and yes, of course, both are the negative. So if you want to make a sentence with either, if you want to join them with the help of either, then how? They do not go to school and she does not either. This sentence is made on second structure. This sentence is made on second structure. And second structure we use and after first negative sentence. So they do not go to school and she does not go to school either, or she does not go either. Is this clear, guys? अगर हम इस एग्जाम्पल को उर्दू में एक्सप्लेन करें तो कैसे एक्सप्लेन किया जाता है इसको? तो देखिए, they do not go to school, she does not go to school. जैसे कि हमने कहा कि दोनों फिक्र मनफी होना चाहिए, तो दोनों फिक्र मनफी है, दोनों में नहीं है. they do not go to school, she does not go to school. وہ اسکول نہیں جاتے, وہ مطلب زیادہ, she وہ اسکول نہیں جاتی. Is this clear? So دونوں کا آئیڈیا بھی سیم ہے, اسکول وہ بھی اسکول نہیں جاتے اور یہ بھی اسکول نہیں جاتی. Is this clear? اور دونوں منفی بھی ہے اور دونوں کا ٹینس زمانہ بھی سیم ہے. تو ہم اگر چاہیں کہ اس سینٹینس کو ایدر کے ساتھ لکھیں تو کیسے لکھتے ہیں؟ دیکھیے, they do not go to school and she does not either, and she does not either. یہ سینٹینس جو ہے یہ سیکنڈ اسٹرکچر پر بیسڈ ہے. یہ سینٹینس میں نے سیکنڈ اسٹرکچر کے لیے لکھا ہے. اگر آپ دیکھیں تو سیکنڈ اسٹرکچر میں فرسٹ سینٹینس نیگیٹو سینٹینس کے بعد ہم اینڈ لگاتے ہیں اور یہاں پر میں نے اینڈ لگائے ہیں. they do not go to school and she does not either. تو دونوں کا ٹینس بھی سیم ہے, آئیڈیا بھی سیم ہے اور دونوں منفی بھی ہے. Is this clear guys? So if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. It was the second part of adverb. Its third part will be uploaded tomorrow inshallah, and its first part, the link of that video is given in the description. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch that video from the description. اگر آپ نے میرے چینل کو سبسکرائب نہیں کیا تو سبسکرائب کریں اور بیل آئیکن کو پریس کریں تاکہ میری نیو ویڈیوز آپ کو جلد سے جلد ملے. تھینک یو سو مچ.